Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to dive into the basics of Windows 11. Specifically, I'll show you how to delete apps, whether you want to declutter your system or make space for new software. So let's get started. So first, you can see that I select Google Chrome and press the delete button on the keyboard to delete it, and it is stored in the recycle bin. Meanwhile, we can restore it if you want. Again, here it is deposited, its full access remains here. However, we will not delete in this way. We want to know how to completely uninstall and delete the apps and end the access. So now, you will need a control panel. The control panel is usually not on any PC or Windows 11 screen. It has to be fetched from the setting. So go directly to the Windows Start button to bring it up. Then go to the search bar and search Control Panel. As you can see on my screen, after typing the control panel and searching, it came here. So you can enter by clicking directly from here or how to bring it here as shown on my screen. So click the right button of your mouse on the screen to bring up the icon like this. Then you will see a personalized option. Click on it. So here, there are many options from which you can directly click on the themes or click on the number 3 option. Then click on the option called Desktop Icon Settings. After clicking, an icon will show. There, you can see many options called Computer, Recycle Bin, and Control Panel. After seeing them, select Control Panel and click Apply and OK. Anyway, now to the main point. Open your Control Panel. From the Programs option, click on Uninstall a program. Then it will show you all the apps on your computer or PC. Select the one you want to delete or install from here. Suppose I will delete this app called YouTube. So select it fast. Then place the mouse on it and click the right button. Then there will be an option called Uninstall, or above you can see that there is an option called Uninstall. Click on any one. Then a pop-up icon will appear here. Click on Remove Text there. I click Cancel but I will not uninstall. You can uninstall or delete any apps from here in the same process. And there you have it. Deleting apps on Windows 11 is a straightforward process. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or if there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.